So today I'm gonna introduce to you my two hamsters. I'm taking Kersey. Meet Kersey. There's Kersey, the brown. I'm gonna put him back to the cage. And I can't pick that. Look at that. Because he's gonna bite me. And there's Kersey. Look. Oh, there. And they have their exercise wheel. There. Exercise wheel. The silent spinner. Then here. There's the water bottle. This ooh, no. Wait a minute. There. Very good. There. Look at Dummy. The gray one's Dummy. I cannot pick up him because he's gonna bite me. There. So, thank you for listening. And